Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share something special with you all. I've got the 3D Harry Potter Nimbus 2000 3-ounce silver coin right here, and I can't wait to unbox it with you. This release has been 2 years in the making, and it's finally here. It has a solid wooden base, acrylic top, and a perfectly shaped stand for the coin. Even the display case is a piece of art. But now let's move on to the star of the show, the Nimbus 2000 coin itself. Now look at this. The coin is a detailed replica of Harry's very first broomstick, and it's crafted from 3 ounces of pure silver. But what really sets it apart is the 24 karat gold plating. The combination of 3 ounces of pure silver and gold plating gives it a luxurious, magical feel that's perfect for any Harry Potter fan or collector. The level of detail on this coin is truly remarkable. From the finely etched broomstick handle to the carefully crafted bristles at the end, every part of this Nimbus 2000 is captured beautifully. It really does feel like a 3-dimensional work of art. Holding it in your hand, you can feel the weight. The quality and craftsmanship that went into making this piece becomes really apparent. Now you'll see as the light bounces off the proof-like finish that the end of the broomstick really shines. This uniquely shaped coin will stand out in your collection. Now, as you can imagine, being such a special piece, it's extremely limited. So here's something important to note. Only 2,000 pieces will ever exist worldwide. And perhaps even more importantly, we've only managed to secure a tiny allocation for Westminster collectors. We currently have just 200 of these available right now. Only the quickest collectors will own one of these. It's priced at £495, but to make it easier, you can spread the cost with 10 interest-free monthly instalments. This way you can bring a bit of Harry Potter magic into your home without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? I can't guarantee these will stick around for long, especially with thousands of Harry Potter fans and collectors eager to get their hands on unique Harry Potter coin issues. Add one to your basket today.